here I am in my kitchen, a little bit messy, but I'm going to share my points anyway. Right. So, please spare your time with me untuk tengok video ni sampai habis kerana video ini akan menerangkan kepada you betapa pentingnya memahami keperluan menulis learning objektif bukan sekadar untuk keperluan you siapkan you punya lesson plan, tetapi untuk you one day become the master of your own teaching and also the master of your own beliefs as a teacher. Alright, so hari ni I was being asked a question about what is the difference between a good lesson and an outstanding lesson. Okay, bila I dengar soalan tu saja, I dah mula annoyed. Okay, I have to use the word annoyed. Sebab apa? In order for you to speak about a good lesson and an outstanding lesson, first of all, alright, kita ni manusia, kita ada preferences kita tersendiri when we talk about good, excellent, successful. Okay, apa yang kita describe, these words may have different criteria from one person to another. I give you an example. Contoh ya, katakanlah I kata this apple tastes good. Alright, so you dengar I kata apple ni sedap. What do I mean by sedap? Or what do I mean by this apple is good? What makes you say this apple is good? Betul tak? Okay, mungkin you as a person was expecting that I say this apple is good because it tastes sweet. Okay, maybe another person when I say this apple is good, you nak I actually cakap this apple is crunchy. Okay, so coming back into the lesson itself, why the question was annoying for me, because dia macam ni. My point is, when you tak boleh nak explain how you gauge success, understanding, outstanding and good, jangan cakap pasal whether the lesson is considered outstanding or good. Sebab in order untuk you kata good tu, you must have the criteria. Apa yang menyebabkan your lesson tu good. Sebab tu pentingnya ada lesson plan yang lesson learning objektif dia ditulis dengan betul memenuhi SMART criteria, SMART. Okay. This question when it was asked to me, I sudah tahu. Okay, the person yang tanya ni sebenarnya ada problem dengan learning objective writing. Jadi when you have the problem at the root cause, okay, the entire lesson actually become vague. So, bila your lesson sendiri sudah vague, macam mana you nak orang lain bagi you penilaian that your class is outstanding, good, successful, okay? So when I told the person, in order for you to have an outstanding ataupun good lesson, first of all, the learning objectives must be met with the criteria the SMART criteria given for all learning objective writing. So bila I jawab macam tu, sebenarnya soalan tu telah dijawab. Maksudnya dia smart ke outstanding ke kelas ni, kelas you first of all mesti memenuhi your lesson plan objective. Okay? So bila dia jawab macam tu, dia kata I did not ask how your a class is successful. I'm asking how the class is outstanding. I cakap dekat dia, kalau the class is not successful, are you going to say the class is outstanding? Then dia tanya dekat I balik. I'm the one asking you, dia kata. So saya cakap lagi. Alright. Then if you want to know whether your class is is good ataupun outstanding, then you define what is good and what is outstanding. What are the criteria that you put in order to make a class a good class? Apa tadi dia kata? Good class, okay? And what is the criteria of an outstanding class atau an outstanding lesson according to you? I cakap macam tu. So macam I cakap lah, kalau you kata apple tu sedap, you mesti define sedap tu apa dalam apa, apple ni bagus, okay? So you kena define bagus in what sense? Sebab I boleh faham kalau, okay, kata kita pemeriksa ya, kalau ada anak murid tu tulis, okay, the apple is good because the apple tastes sweet. Contoh, right? The apple is sweet, okay? Another student, okay, ayat tu betul dah, okay? Kenyataan itu pun betul, okay? And then another student tulis, the apple is good because it's so crunchy. Betul, alright? And also, ada budak yang tulis, the apple is good because I cannot find any worms in the apple. Maknanya apple tu tak rosak. Pun betul. Jadi, you cannot say, okay, katalah you sebenarnya sebagai pemeriksa nak jawapan that the apple is good because I eat it and I don't get gastric, contoh. So, you mesti define apa yang you maksudkan dengan good. Tapi kalau you dah put in your mind that good means tak kena gastric, you tak boleh kata point-point orang yang cakap lain ni selain daripada point apple tu tak buat you gastric sebagai jawapan-jawapan yang salah. That's why when you want to gauge whether a class is successful, outstanding atau good, you must have the criteria of how these three words are defined. Alright? That's why from the very beginning, jangan tulis lesson plan yang vague. So now the question is vague. Bila kita bagi you specific answer with smart criteria pun, you tak boleh faham that in the very first place, the question was wrong. So remember, buat apa-apa, lesson plan you, objective writing must be very clear. Only when your objective writing is clear, your question, your exam paper, your activities in class will be achievable and successful. Okay? Kalau you vague daripada you punya penulisan lesson plan objektif je, you dah tak ada, dah longgar dah kat situ. You dah goyang dah. Bila kita invigilate you as a teacher dalam kelas, pun you dah goyang dah tu. Okay? So please, now you faham ya, kenapa pentingnya lesson plan writing tu untuk clearly achievable and fulfill the SMART criteria. Untuk tahu apa itu SMART criteria of an effective learning objective, check my previous videos. Okay? See you. Assalamualaikum.